Ladies and gentlemen, we are here at the India Web Fest 2019, which is undoubtedly the biggest web entertainment conclave. We have with us today none other than Akriti Kakkar. Pleasure having you over here.
Thank you so much.
So first of all, what is your expectation from this magnanimous web fest?
I think it's firstly incredible that so many intellectual people are getting together to share some insight over, their experiences and talk over subjects that might give a lot of people a very different perspective, including me. I'm very excited to be on a panel where Nirmika is negotiating the panel and there are fellow singers on it. So it'll be very interesting always to learn. I mean, I love to interact with people in general, and it's always a lot of fun to know about their experiences, their life, their, the journey that they've had. I've had my own share of struggles and milestones, small or big in their own way. So it'll be amazing to share all of that with a lot of people. Plus, meet so many new people and. Just draw connections. It'll be lovely to know more.
And any other particular panel that you're looking forward to apart from your own?
I don't know. I would love to. I mean, I see a lot of interesting people here. I know Sudeep is speaking to Prajakta, so I'm really looking forward to that.
And are you looking forward to the Dia Mirza session?
I don't know about it. Sorry.
That's happening around 4 p.m.
Okay, what is I don't know about it.
Ram Kamal Mukherjee is heading that, so I think that should be a good one as well.
Oh yeah, I'd love to. I'd love to attend that as well.
So I'll have a small game with you, which is like the emoticon game. So I'll tell you names of certain singers and I'll give you options. You'll have to tell me which one actually suits which personality the most.
Okay.
It's not something that will bother you too much, don't worry.
Okay.
So for Arijit Singh, if you had to pick up between these three, which one would you pick for Arijit?
What is the third one? Yeah, listen, he is all this. Arijit is all this. Even if he makes me cry.
Yeah. In his sad songs?
Yeah, in his sad songs, but it's out
That's
of
still love.
tears of joy. Yeah, like that.
Neha Kakkar.
I really love. तो बाकी सब में से choose कर सकते हो?
Yeah, you can. I can show you all.
Show me all.
Yeah. This, and then we'll display to the camera as well.
Why do you think I would show that when you're showing me that?
But that's the option.
I think this.
Huh?
I think she really amazes me.
This is the one that she selected for Neha Kakkar.
Because I think she really amazes me with all that she's done. At a point, I think her Instagram bio also, I read in an article, I don't follow too many people on Instagram, so I'm really pathetic like that. But I read in an article where she said a tiny girl with big dreams and now grown so big that nobody can catch me. Or something to that effect. So yeah, she amazes me.
Absolutely. Shan.
This one. This one.
You got it.
This one. I think he's so full of smiles and everywhere that he goes, that's his perpetual expression and you only feel like going and like hugging him and saying thank you for spreading so much love around.
Okay, and Sunidhi Chauhan.
Is there the dancing icon is there?
Just see one. This is, I think you're not going to pick for anyone.
Yeah, even that sleep one I won't.
Yeah.
I don't know, go back, give me the kiss icon, yeah.
Sunidhi.
I think she's a total diva.
Yeah.
I've always looked up to her from the time I even was in school. She had already started singing. So, and I mean, I have the fortune of knowing her now. So, I'd totally go and kiss her.
Super. And the last one, Gajendra Verma.
Yeah, I haven't heard too much of his music, but again, I will...
Just don't select the angry one.
Why should I be angry? He's doing so well for himself.
Exactly.
Show me the... go ahead.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
This one?
No. Why will I laugh at him? No, I think this also.
Yeah. You can select multiple...
No, I think this again, because again, he really amazes. His story is so impeccable. I don't know about his background, but that one song of his that clicked. So that really amazed the world, and it did. I was one of those people.
Yeah, and this platform is something that is celebrating web content. So which is the last web series that you have been watching?
I'm in the middle of finishing Sacred Games.
So how many episodes have you watched?
I watched 5, I think, or 6.
So are you liking this one more or the first one?
I like the first one more.
Is it because Radhika is missing?
No, not because of that. I just like the first one was more intense. Like here, there is so much more Bollywood influence, which is also great. But who am I to even comment? I mean, it's a great series.
It was a pleasure having you here.
Likewise,
Thank you so much.
thank you.
Thank you.